Twin-Train-MultiBrake by SPHEREA. The braking system is essential for safe and reliable operation of rail vehicles. One or more brake systems are installed on each bogie. These are centrally controlled by the driver's cab. Trams have hydraulic braking systems. Light rail vehicles and mainline trains have pneumatic braking systems. To ensure that the braking effect is uniform across the vehicle, a control unit adjusts the brake pressures per bogie according to the respective load condition. This principle is called load-dependent braking. The input variable is the air spring pressure prevailing in the air spring of the bogie, which is stronger or weaker depending on the loading condition or load distribution in the vehicle. The proper functioning of the entire brake system is ensured before a rail vehicle is delivered. Various pressure measurements are taken on the brake system and different loading conditions are simulated. The Twin-Train-MultiBrake of SPHEREA's Twin-Train series has been specially developed for simultaneous testing of the entire brake system of a vehicle. The system consists of compact measuring modules that are connected directly to the brake's control units. Since the measuring modules generate the simulated air spring pressure directly from the vehicle supply, the time-consuming use of an externally simulated air pressure is no longer necessary. Thus, a different air spring pressure can be simulated for each bogie, and all brake pressures can be recorded. The continuous real-time measurement of all input signals allows automatic determination of brake time and release times. Furthermore, a leak test of the vehicle's compressed air supply can be carried out. Hello, I am Udo Snaga. I work at the Alstom plant in Bautzen. In our plant, we build railroad vehicles, multiple units, individual wagons, power cars. We build local transport vehicles, tramways. I am in charge of the testing area, the commissioning area, and we put these vehicles through their paces here. It is important that we test with repeat accuracy, that we test efficiently, that our test results are always accurate, and that they are not incorrect. That's why we are continuously looking for automation solutions to specify and perform these things accurately. We have found a partner in this, the company SPHEREA from Ulm, with whom we have developed various concepts together over the last 2 to 3 years. And our first practical application is an automatic brake testing system. This is modular design. We can use it for short, single wagons, for multiple units with a length of 50 meters, 100 meters, 150 meters or longer. Mr. Thomas will now explain the details to us. By applying the travel brake lever, we can determine the brake pressures. This is much easier with the new system, as we don't need a second employee to assist us with a stopwatch and pneumatic pressure gauge. We can display all the necessary pressures on the tablet, including the application and release times, which saves us a lot of time.
Das spart uns sehr viel Zeit.
The individual twin-train-multi-brake measuring modules can be easily transported in a transport system. One measuring module is installed per bogie or control unit. The connection hoses required for this are stored in an integrated drawer. At each measuring module, the user assigns a unique number to the measuring module so that the measured data can be clearly assigned afterwards. In addition, different twin-train multi-brake configurations can be operated in parallel. If required, the user can, for example, turn 7 measurement modules into 2 separate networks with 4 and 3 modules. This allows simultaneous work on 2 smaller vehicles. The display and control of the measuring modules is done centrally by a graphical user interface. This adapts according to the number of measuring modules used. The user can control each measuring module individually and set the simulated pressure. All measured values of the system are displayed collectively. The battery-powered measuring modules of the twin-train-multi-brake use modern and connected communication technology. This ensures reliable radio coverage along the entire length of the vehicle. Twin Train Multi-Brake by SPHEREA.